Welcome to part 19, global variables and reading in the data. So next up, we're going to define several global variables, and to indicate that they are global variables, we will use capital letters for the variable name. So at the top here, we have some URLs. These aren't very important. These will just appear in the navigation bar. You can change them to whatever you want. You can even take them out of the application. It's up to you. Next up, we have a list of two colors, and they will come from the Tableau 10 color sequence. One will be a shade of blue, the other will be a shade of orange, and they will represent actual and predicted values in our graphs. Then we're going to read in our data frames over here. So the summary data frame, we're doing this with pandas. This is one row for every area. It's of the current date. All data has all of the current data plus the prediction data, all dates for all areas. Then we're going to calculate the last date. That means the most current date of actual data that we have. So we've seen this before. And then the first prediction date will be just the very next day. So this, this code we've seen before, but since we are going to reference these in different functions throughout our code, particularly the data, then we will just have them as global variables for our application so that they are accessible regardless of where we are in our app.